Video 5. WhatsApp Settings. WhatsApp is one of the most used tools around the world. However, most who use it ignore its settings area. First of all, open the application. The settings area will be exactly the same for all three tabs: calls, chats, and contacts. Go directly to the three dots icon located at the top right corner. Then select Settings, and it will open the Settings menu. It will have options like Help, Profile, Account, Chat and Calls, Notifications, and Contacts. First click on Help. You will see topics such as About, FAQs, System Status, and a way to contact them to ask questions or for getting additional help. In the About section, you will find information about the WhatsApp version you have and the WhatsApp licenses. In the FAQ section, you will be directed to the WhatsApp Frequently Asked Questions page, so you can resolve any questions you may have. On System Status, you will learn if the WhatsApp service is operating normally. And on Contact Us, you can directly inform WhatsApp about any issues you may be facing. Going back to the main menu, let's take a look at the Profile option. Here you'll be able to edit your name identifier and your profile picture. You can click on the small pencil located at the bottom right corner to edit it. Your gallery will open automatically. You will see several options you have for selecting photos. Then, you can browse for an image of your choice and click on the one you like. Once selected, you can choose what section of the image you want to use and click on OK. Your image will be updated. Below the picture, you can input your name. This is not a username. It is the name your contacts will see to identify you on WhatsApp. To edit it, click on the little pencil, input your name or whatever you want. You can even add emoticons. When you are done, click OK. In the Account area, you will find options like Privacy, Payment Info, Change Number, Delete My Account, and Network Usage. In Privacy, you can decide who can see your personal info and any of the contacts you have blocked. Every option will have a small explanation so you can know what it is for. In the Payments Info, you will see when your subscription expires, and other options to set up your payment information. In the Change Number area, you will be able to simply change the number you submitted for the WhatsApp account. Something cool with this is that WhatsApp will migrate your account info, groups, and settings. In the Delete Account area, you will be able to delete your WhatsApp account. And finally, in Network Usage, you can see how much you have used WhatsApp since you installed it. Let's go back to the main menu and click on Chats and Calls. Here you will be able to edit some chat settings and call settings. Under Chat Settings, if you click on Media Auto Download, three options will appear: when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. These options are used so you may have more control on the usage of your data connection, which is normally paid by yourself. If you want to change this, click on any of them, select your choices, and click OK. You can do the same with the other two options. You are also able to change the font size between small, medium, and large. You can also decide what wallpaper to use. Just select an image, decide what piece of the image you want to show, and click on OK. You are also able to back up your messages and media to Google Drive. You can restore them when you reinstall WhatsApp. You could decide how often you want to perform a backup, what Google account you want to use, and what connection platform you want to use for the backup. You can even include videos in the backup. In Chat History, you get to decide what you want to do with your chats. Now let's click on Notifications. Here you can set up message notifications and group notifications. You will find options like notification tone, vibrate or not, pop-up notification, and lighting effects. And finally, in the Contacts area, you will be able to invite a friend, pay the WhatsApp service for a friend, and also show all contacts you have in your WhatsApp account. For inviting your friends, you will see an awesome list of ways you can contact anyone to connect with on WhatsApp. Well, I think you are ready to start using WhatsApp with more knowledge than other users.